Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I am going to be doing an unboxing because I actually came home to a Jeffree Star mystery box the other day. There was 3 sizes, I got the middle size. I didn't get like the mini, I didn't get the expensive one. You know, I don't make that much money. I got the middle one, so it's supposed to have 5 items in it. One of them is supposed to be like a limited edition lip shade, I guess. And just for the record, I am new to the makeup in general, so I'm just buying anything and everything that looks fun and interesting, or that my bank account can, you know, deal with at least. So we're gonna unbox this today, and let's do it. Key, here we go. So I don't even want to look at it, I'm just gonna dig inside, pull something out, and see what it is. Tissue paper. More tissue paper. Ready. Oh, the first one was the mystery thing. So spoiler alert, in case any of you have ordered any of these and haven't gotten it yet and you don't want to know what the shade is, this is gonna be a spoiler, just so you are aware. Okay, so the mystery shade looks like it's like a pink, like a nude. Okay, so it's kind of like a mauve-y kind of color. It's literally just called question mark. I thought like maybe inside would be like an actual shade color, but I guess not. Ooh, that is actually pretty though. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys real quick. So this is the swatch. This is what it basically looks like. It's matte. It's not sparkly or anything, but it is actually a really pretty color. And that's actually the first full-size lip shade that I got from Jeffree actually so far. I got one of his like nude packs, but they were all mini, so this is actually the first full-size one that I've got. Next we got some lip ammunition. I haven't got one of these yet. And it is in the shade. Okay. So it is in the shade Gold Galaxy. Ooh. I don't have a gold one yet, so that's nice. Let's switch it real quick. I like that. So it's like a sparkly gold. I mean, I know this is probably like an old shade, and you know everybody probably knows this shade by now, but I'm still learning. Next. Another let's see, what do we got here? Another liquid lipstick in the shade Gemini. I actually already have the Gemini because of the nude pack that I bought a little while ago, but yeah, I got an extra one now. Next. Ooh, I got a pop socket. I've never used a pop socket, and I honestly probably never will, but I have one in case I ever wanted to decide I want to use one. That's cool though, I like that. Maybe I will start using one. And last but not least, the Liquid Frost. Please don't be the color I have already. Canary Bling. It's kind of like a new color. Ooh, and it has like pink sparkles inside, I like that. I'm gonna put that on. I'm just gonna put it on my finger. I know this is probably really cringy to a lot of you. This is what's happening, so deal with it. Ooh. I know this isn't the best camera. It's an iPad, so it's a decent camera, but it's not a professional one that, you know, makeup gurus actually use, so I'm working with what I got. Okay, so that was all 5 items. So just an idea of what might come in your mystery box if you got like the middle one. It's gonna be, you know, probably similar to this, I'm assuming. I know every box is different, so, but that is what I got. Question mark shade, lip ammunition in Galaxy Gold, Liquid Frost in Canary Bling, Gemini Velour Liquid Lip, a pop socket. So there you guys go. That is what I got in my mystery box. So I will see you guys all later.